on the phone.
I just got whacked with a chunk of dirt.
You got me and Kenny pretty fucking good, dude.
Who, him?
You, when we were
right.
sitting up there.
When you were sitting up there?
Yeah, when we were up on the other hill.
Yeah.
That's why we moved down. When we came down, it smacked sideways and fucking covered us.
Oh shit. I got jittery in here and had to cut off.
Dude, Hoover clears all these right here. Right
That
there.
was not that. It's not that big. It's just that fucking one. Come on, go to the inside. Keep telling that inside line is sweet.
Are we down a man?
Fucking Too Tall called me. Every Sunday I go riding, he calls. He knows me.